known as Rousey, but TwoDawn. This is TwoDawn right here.
Hey peoples, it is me, TwoDawn. I changed myself to Rousey, because you know, that's what I do. Wow. I find that very rude.
I'll turn this on. Don't do it, or I'll turn it on. Don't do it. No.
I can do two things at once, boy. I can kill you and keep it off.
Well, bro, that isn't family friendly.
Yeah, it is, because the other players won't be.
How did you do this so easily?
Because I have skills. Hello, sir. Haha.
No.
Come here if you want your gun. Oh, hey.
Oh no! I'm so bad at this game. I'm gonna get like no content because I'm just so bad at this game.
Bush boy.
You can't see me.
You can't see me. I'm the most visible. Just look, you can see my entire body. Wow. I can't believe you've done this. Remember, it's not about winning, it's about having fun.
Yes, but I also kind of want to win at the same time.
Ugh. Whoa, you just made... Oh, yeah!
No!
By the way, you forgot to put in the maps.
Oh, I did, darn it. I'll do that in a second, hold on.
And turn off the normal maps.
What do you mean? Normal maps are fine.
Well, yeah, but...
Okay, let me change it real quick. How do I do it again?
You go to maps and then enable custom maps.
Okay, do I have to quit the game?
No. You go to, the options, and then, you go to maps.
Yes.
You go to, you press escape, and then options, and then maps, and then enable custom maps.
Oh really? I see what you're doing.
Oh yeah! Snakes!
Okay, I think they're on.
Oh yeah, I'm jamming. Gotcha. Oh.
I turned on pretty much everything. Who's gonna get it?
Hey, it's my color.
No!
Also, this one kinda sucks.
What do you mean?
Compared to the other ones, it's, probably the worst one. Because this phase actually, like, does nothing.
Haha!
I couldn't even see my health bar. See, that's why that one sucks. Cause the burst, that single phase does nothing. It's basically get shot. Aw, dang it.
Do I even have... Hold on, wait, don't kill me. Let me see my options. Okay, I have maps. Maps, random. Seriously, I told you not to kill me, you're a jerk.
I had a gun pointed to your head for a while.
They should be on.
That's probably because you have all the other maps enabled.
Okay, hold on, let me go and edit it.
Oh yeah, I'm a cowboy.
Is there an easy way to like turn them off?
Yeah, there's so you see the boxes next to like the desert stuff like that?
Yeah, I've already done that. Yeah, I know, but like all the regular maps, I think I've done it. No!
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Oh yeah. I knew you'd do it. I knew it.
I can't. Ah. Oh, I'm being not so smart. No, you can hear my breathing right now. I'm slightly raging. Bye. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, why isn't it picking up? Why isn't it working? Wait, why can't I pick anything up? Why wasn't it letting me to... Oh wait.
Probably lag, also. This one's called Dodgeball.
Why can't I pick stuff up?
Oops.
It's not letting me pick anything up.
You are on my screen. Oh no! Run!
On my screen, I'm not.
What do we...
Bears.
I don't know what to do. What? How did I win?
This map kinda sucks.
I don't know why it's on.
Oh wait, I thought that was you.
Me gets all wins from just you messing up.
Did you not subscribe to the Snakes on a Plane?
I did. No. You know they're just random order, so they're in random order. Okay, hold on. I need to turn off random order. Guess I know I'm gonna die, but random order off. So now they actually do something. There we go!
Hey.
Snakes on a Plane! Oh no! They're coming for me! They're coming for me! Hey, guess what? I have a regular gun.
I have a snake shotgun. Aw.
Yeah, you should have used it that many times.
Oh yeah.
I just fell on the spikes. I was just like, nope, not doing this.
Counts. I was taking a sip of Pepsi.
Hi. Wanna have... What? How? I think I fell on the other side of the map! No!
Oh yeah, you can't win like that. I ain't though, boy. Wait, I can't pick it up. It's not letting me pick it up.
You still won, because I'm bad at this game. Oh, this is the one that I called the fire one. I'm just glitching around. Ow, ow. I think I'm gonna kill myself. Yes!
There's so many that I can't get through of them. Okay, I give up on doing that.
Oh, how is this map? Ow. I think I've lost more health than you.
Probably.
I'm gonna try it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god. Oh, just gonna make sure that I'm still recording. Alright, yeah, I am.
Help me. Somebody just call an ambulance. Please, somebody.
Call the police.
I don't think this is even glitchiness now. I think it's just lag. Can you please come and just destroy me?
It's definitely glitchiness, cause on my computer, it's really just weird.
You come to me! Oh no!
What?
Yes!
What? My game crashed.
What?
You successfully won because my game crashed. The second my game crashed, you said yes.
You know, I'm good. While you're gone, I'm gonna... No, not that, please. Go weapons, and I'm gonna edit it.
I tried to join you, but no connection.
What?
Your game is pretty broken. I'm having fun here, yay.
What are you doing?
You don't want to know.
Okay, what are you doing?
You don't want to know, trust me.
Okay, but are you gonna join back?
I was, trying. It's, doing the weird thing again.
Okay,
Oh wait, there it is.
Are you gonna work?
It worked, just kill yourself.
Okay. Wait! Even the beam didn't take me out, just the... Thanks for playing, man.
No!
Bye, bye. Darn it! You had a sharp, pointy stick.
Oh yeah!
I don't know what would have a better bet with like a regular gun or like the blink dagger.
Oh yeah! Oh wait, I have a better idea.
Oh no. No. Wait, black hole gun! Black hole... Are you serious? Oh no!
No. That's hot. The level that crashed my game.
Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna go into here and I don't know, don't kill me at the moment. I'm gonna turn that off. Which one is it? Ah, that's Let me guess, you killed me.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, this is called Protect the King.
Oh.
Oh.
We... Huh. Oh, I get it. I get it. There's someone. You're supposed to be.
Yes, quick fire. Okay, hold on. Don't kill me.
I was trying to explain, and then you kill me. All right. So the person on the bottom is supposed to be the king, and then the other two people have to protect them, and then the one other person tries to kill all of them, and then the other two people kill themselves at the end, making like the one at the bottom the winner. If that makes sense.
I'm just gonna chill here for now. Oh no! Oh no!
I'm trying to kill snakes. Hey!
What was that noise? You literally just screamed into your microphone.
I didn't have it nowhere near my face though.
It literally was just like a screech. I wonder if that's gonna turn up in the video. That would be hilarious if it does.
My jump button is being weird.
I want that one. No, I want...
Here's what you got for being picky. Aw, dang it.
Haha.
Hold on, let me quickly...
I want to do this so bad. If anybody knows what this does, I want to do this.
Welcome to the round of freezing me.
I got you stuck. Oh no.
Welcome to the game of me killing myself.
Okay, let me turn the map off. No, don't. Hold on, don't kill me. Hey, I said don't kill me. I said don't kill me. What was that called? Oh, there it is.
No. Oh no, I wanted to get the laser gun.
Can you turn that off, please? It's like not even relevant. Okay, you need to get the thing. Okay, can you just not have a voice change?
Aw. I'm gonna kill you. Oh do you see that?
Why can't I fire?
I hope that the voice changer shows up in the recording.
It will, obviously. Can you turn it off? Please.
Oh, hold on. I'm busy killing you.
That's a good point, but still.
Oh.
Don't turn it off.
Headshot.
Do it, my boy. I'm good. No. Ah, grenade launcher. No, 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 no. I don't like.
No,
snakes.
my snakes! They are turning on me! My snakes turned on me! Traitors!
Bye.
Oh yeah!
No! Why'd I jump off? This is a different type of map I've never seen.
Oh yeah! You've never encountered the red boss?
Nope.
Oh well, you're about to have some fun.
What is— No! No!
Oh yeah!
Dude, you got rid of me so fast. What
Yeah.
the— Oh. I may or may not have thought it was you for a second, so...
I wonder if this does anything. Do you set all of the guns to snake guns?
No. They're just, I guess, the most popular.
No!
I could throw my spear at you, but okay.
Sorry.
Ew. Oh! Really?
I'm skilled in the trade of taking from
no.
people.
I can't hit a single shot. Like this thing, do you see how bad aiming this thing is? I'm just gonna throw these at this point.
Throwing them is the best thing to do.
Ah!
Gotcha.
I was like, I'm trapped in the corner and I don't know what to do. Excuse me? Sure, yeah, bye. You go ahead and have some fun down there.
I tried to do something cool.
What a— Oh no, not these. Darn it! Explorer. I got an achievement called Explorer. What?
Probably for going on a lot of maps. I like this one. You're gonna have some fun on this one.
Oh, the rainbow!
Alright, are you ready?
Oh no! I forgot about this! No, this is my least favorite one!
I can't see my health bar. Oh.
Yeah, I don't think you're able to.
No.
No. Luck. Have
Good
fun.
luck. Why did you say that? Ah.
That's why sometimes I don't like it, because sometimes you can get in sticky situations that aren't that good.
Lava gun! No, I threw my lava gun!
Whoa! Oh, okay, there's the...
I wanted the lava gun so bad, but I threw it. You kicked me downwards. Wow.
It's because I hit spikes first. Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
What are you doing? You're just like crawling on top of yourself. Just.
You're spazzing out.
I don't think weapons are gonna spawn. I think we just have to fight each other. Oh! Yeah! Yeah, flawless, bro. Go on your side.
Damn it. I thought that it was going to switch. I had bad timing. Okay, you go.
I can never do that.
Oh, here.
You go ahead.
My head's gone. My head's gone.
Yeah, you
Thing.
Bye. There we go. Oh, hello! Yes!
David Cletus. I'm
Health? You can see like health at all.
you.
Sure.
I was trying to get around your spear.
Like you just touched the knife and you died immediately.
Luigi dive.
Whoever Don't
No,
die. Don't
no.
die. Don't die. Guns. I was like, let's jump.
Out of here. Get out of here, son.
I never know how to block, really. Because again,
Do the thing. Damn it.
Calm down. Oh no!
That made me not be able to keep
most like overpowered, but wait.
So bad. Now. Four.
Oh, hello.
Working again.
Complaining like a baby. What? There's a golden gun?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it was one of those maps, okay.
Oh, that's rude.
Oh, hello.
Ugh. That's not Sparta.
Oh no. Get out, so you have to actually come to me. We're all just like get ready. Whoa, okay.
Angry at you because you... cheap person.
So my
Here's what you get.
Snakes.
Snake.
God. Uh-oh. Ran with no content, just wee!
How?
In your laser, or you broke the thing, so... Hey, that's not cheap. You tried to use it on me. Oh, I was not expecting... I'm not, I just...
It's almost... if I...
random anymore, and there's possibly, so now it shows... Ow! We can't get sucked up into a black hole.
Well, I'm not even gonna go over there this time. I'm just gonna wait till you kill yourself.
I know what you're gonna do! Like, right when you come in, I could act somehow. Ow, 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 ow. Out as much as I could. That's not a better version. Oh! So, how are you supposed to get up there? Here, I'll fly you up there.
Nope.
I have like propulsion to the map. Its heads on spikes. Oh, okay then. Oh, my head on the spikes.
I was like wondering. Bye.
Oh.
Did like 50 explosions. I would.
I always get but to actually do something. Oh no. Yeah, there's nothing I can do there.
I think. Oh, something is happening.
No.
Something
hello.
interesting happened.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
My own character. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, that gun does basic. Oh!
Ha-ha!
How?
What? Sometimes it just makes me kinda mad. Hi. I just kinda wanna make a
Hi! Hi indeed!
Sure. Can you just like go ahead and break this?
No, I'm good.
Ow! What? You did not hit me! I'm so confused! How is it going? Running.
What, you think I'm stupid? You think I'm stupid? You'd be right.
Oh, shotgun.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
This is Sparta!
No, don't make those references. Not because of copyright, just because of that. What the? Hi.
Wow.
I use your own tactics against you. What are these? These blocks? What the heck?
You go out not like a true Spartan.
I just fell underneath the map. Have fun!
Cheap.
What? Okay, it's not cheap if the game gives you the option to do it.
Oh,
wait,
wait.
no, that's cheating.
Seriously? Seriously, that's your logic?
No, that's my logic of cheating. Oh, hi. I like how you spear, me grabs bazooka, then grabs ice gun again. Hi. Oh, no, no, no. I got Fear Snake.
You're Indiana Jones? I didn't know you were Indiana Jones.
Oh no. No, no. Hi. Oh no, oh no.
Get over here.
Yeah, sure. I'll go the opposite way.
Get over here.
Ooh. Hey, let's try to get that. No against each other. Just try to get into it. Oh, that doesn't really. Oh,
hey.
Celebrate. Uh-oh, we're stuck.
I want it. I want the power.
I will free. Oh no. Uh-oh.
How did it hit the glue? Wow. Glue floating in midair. RPG explodes on it. Yes, totally. What are you doing? Are you having a seizure?
No. What's happening
on my
your
screen? You're teleporting in close proximity, aka spazzing out.
That was pretty good. And you know what the funny thing is? We're all at time of recording, so I hope you guys.
No, no, yes.
Okay.
This
Fine.
is Sparta.
Fine.
One
Okay.
last Sparta joke.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
To end the
Click
recording.
the bell if you want to get some notifications on when videos come out. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and like this video if you like this video, pretty much. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So bye.
Oh god. Bye. It's me.